We're gonna go ahead and plug this bad boy in and show you what this thing looks like in just a second. Here we go. Alright guys, it's your boy Jackknife 2000. Today we have another unboxing, guys. We have a box light here, guys. Today we're unboxing this bad boy, and we're using the wide lens again because I didn't feel like taking it off or whatever. But anyways guys, here we go. Let's get this unboxing started. So we have this piece right here, and I imagine this is the, okay, I was wrong. Here we go. We got the actual piece here. This is the stand for this bad boy. Alright guys, here we go. We got the stand that comes to this bad boy. Traditional, looks the same. Okay, it just pops out like so. And here we go. There we go. Alright, so there it is, guys. There's the first piece right here, as you guys can see. That's the first piece. Okay, real easy, real simple. Looks like we just want to kind of raise this bad boy up as much as we can. We got two sections here, depending on how high we want the actual box light to go. We don't want it to go that high, so we're gonna go ahead and just, I say right here is good. I say right here is perfect. Looks pretty solid. Looks like it's not going anywhere. So the next piece, I believe the next piece we're gonna have to do is this piece. All right, and everything has their own little carrying case, which is awesome. All right, here we are, guys. As you guys can see right there, that shows you right there that this part just fits on top of here like so. Here we go. Alright, look at that, guys. The company is Mountain Dog. There you go. I have actually my tripod is Mountain Dog as well, so. Alright guys, there you have it. Look at that right there. Wow. Wow. Got a cool little light there. Okay, it's for the box light. Alright guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to try to put this on. I know you guys are looking at my 24-inch Python that I have here, but don't worry about that. Just worry about this. Alright guys, so we have the base part set up here. We have the cord and all that stuff like that. We're not going to be turning anything on right now. I don't know why this looks crooked. Hopefully, does that look better right there? Okay, cool. Alright, so we have this bad boy that does go along this piece right here. I'm putting this shit all in my face. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is, I assume these are the bulbs. That's what I assume. I assume this is the bulb. Alright, so we're gonna take the bulb and we're gonna put it inside of this bad boy. Now these are pretty big bulbs here. They are 70-centimeter bulbs. And they are wrapped really nice and tight. And to be quite honest with you, I'm probably not going to be using these until I get back down to where I'm going. But let's take a look at these bad boys, guys. God diggity dog. Look how huge that is, man. That's like, this is my hand size. It's big, man. It's really huge. All right, we're going to put it back in here after I show you how it goes, you know? All right, let's take it out real quick. All right, we're gonna get ready to screw it in here, guys. It screws in real easy. Now, when I get to where I'm going, this is never coming down. The bulb is gonna stay in all the time. So let's go ahead and screw it in. Oh, crap, it's a huge bulb. Huge bulb. All right, it's screwed in. It's screwed in nice and tight, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and put the screen on this bad boy, and then we're gonna go ahead and power this bad boy on and show you what it looks like with the box light on, guys. All right guys, here it is. This bad boy is wide, as you guys can see here. The big bulb that I got is inside, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this bad boy in and show you what this thing looks like in just a second. Here we go. All right guys, as you guys can see, it blots out every other light, and especially in this setting. We're gonna go ahead and take it back a notch back here. But as you guys can see, it's like it's dark in here. Now hold on, watch this. What the effing fuck, right? What happened? There you guys go. This is the box light. Now we're gonna show it from the other side and let you see what it looks like from the other side, guys. All right guys, here we go. I got the box light right here. As you guys can see, all the other lights in the room are turned off right now. So the only one that's shining on me right now is this bad boy. Now you can probably adjust the light however you want to and make it look a little bit different. You might be able to turn the light like so, or turn it more this way, something like that, so that you don't have a shadow casting behind you. But no matter what, there's always gonna be some sort of shadow. Don't worry about that, guys. But like I said, it works really good. It's lighting up the whole room. It's actually kind of hot, I'm not gonna lie. Your boy is burning up over here, and quite frankly, the light is letting the wall bash out on me. My boy Joey Died Spirit of Heart sitting right over here, but you guys can't see him, of course. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys power punch that like button. Let me know down in the description below, do you guys like this light? Do you guys think this is better than my normal lighting? And if so, make sure you leave a comment down below, guys. And like I said, this is the Mad Dog. Oh, also guys, I wanted to show you guys real quick before we let this go. This is the Mount Dog. Here we go. And it comes in a little carrying case. It's freaking awesome. It all fits in here so that we can just carry it. We don't have to worry about shit. But anyways, guys, this has been your boy Jack 2000. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace, love, and as always, 3 flowers, Reese. Until the next one, peace.